In this video, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 crypto trading bot apps to make money. Now, in my previous video, I talked about everything you need to know about crypto trading bots and how they work, and I also answered the question a lot of you have been asking me, which is, are trading bots profitable? So if you haven't seen that video, the link to that video will be in the description below. So check it out and learn more about how crypto trading bots work. But in this video, I'll be focusing on the top 5 crypto trading bot apps that you can use to start making money for yourself. So if you are ready for this video, please like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and ensure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Now let's get into the video. Now the first app on my list is the BingX app. Now, in case you don't know, BingX has been a standout platform for crypto bot trading in recent years, and there are different reasons for that. Now, firstly, if you have been watching my videos recently, anytime I talk about the BingX app, I always make mention of the fact that it is one of the simplest and most underrated crypto exchanges out there. And the BingX app is one of the best crypto apps for beginners who are trying to get into crypto. Now, when it comes to trading bots on the BingX app, there are different types of bots that you can create. Now, first, you have the martingale bot. So this is a kind of trading bot on the BingX app that doubles your capital after every loss in order to recover your losses and potentially make profits for you. So what it means that if you lose a trade now, the next trade your capital will be doubled so that you can have the potential to recover your loss and also make profit for yourself. I hope you understand. So that's the first kind of trading bot on the BingX app. Now you also have the futures grade trading bot. So this is a trading bot that will help you carry out futures trading. And then for number 3, you have spot grid trading bot. So this is a trading bot that will help you carry out spot trading. And then you have the spot infinity grid bot. So this is a trading bot that will also carry out spot trading for you, but without any limit. So these are the 4 different kinds of trading bots that you can find on the BingX app. Now, another thing about crypto trading bots on the BingX app is that if you don't want to create your own trading bot, they have different trading bots that have been created already by someone else, and they will recommend this trading bot to you. So you can either create your own trading bot on the BingX app or use a recommended trading bot on the app. And then for your capital, this depends on different factors. So there's nothing like maybe a fixed minimum capital or minimum investment. It depends on factors like your leverage, that's if you are using the futures grid trading bot. It also depends on the number of grids you are picking, and it depends on the crypto you want to use for the bot. Now this is for BingX. So it is after you have set all of these factors that you'll be able to know the minimum investment you need to put in for that trading bot. And then for your risk management, you can also set your stop loss and your take profit, which is very important, because if you are losing trades back to back with your trading bot will not stop because of that. It will only stop if you have set stop loss for that trading bot. So before you go ahead and use your trading bot, ensure you always set stop loss for that trading bot. So these are the different things you need to understand about crypto trading bots on the BingX app. And in case you want to learn how to create your own trading bot on BingX and make money with it, I have a video on that already. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now, the second how to make money with crypto trading bots is Bitget. Now, you see, Bitget is one of the crypto trading apps that has impressively changed how trading bots work in recent years. And I have done so many videos on how to use crypto trading bots on the Bitget app. And because of that, I can say so much about how trading bots can make you money on the Bitget app. Now, for the Bitget app, you also find different kinds of trading bots, just like you have on BingX app. You also have spot grid trading bots on the Bitget app that helps you to do spot trading on the app. You also have the futures grid trading bot that helps you to do futures trading. But aside from these two, there are also more trading bots on the Bitget app. Now, on the Bitget app, we also have what is called the smart portfolio trading bot. So this is a kind of trading bot that focuses on rebalancing your crypto portfolio. Now, let me explain. So for example, if you're interested in, let's say you're interested in investing in multiple coins and holding them, this trading bot is for you. So what this trading bot does is that it looks out for coins that will potentially move up in price, and then it sells part of the other coins you have, and then it uses that money to buy the new coin that will most likely go up and make you more money. I hope you get it. So that's for the smart portfolio trading bot. Now you also have the martingale trading bot on Bitget. So this is a type of trading bot, like I said earlier, that doubles your capital after every loss in order to recover your losses and potentially make more profit for yourself. Now, another type of trading bot on Bitget is the spot CTA trading bot and the futures CTA trading bot. So these are trading bots that will only focus on doing spot trading and futures trading for you, but only based on technical indicators. take note of that. So it uses some of the best technical indicators out there to decide what to do for you. And then the next trading bot on Bitget is the spot DCA trading bot and the futures DCA trading bot. So this trading bot only focus on buying cryptocurrencies for you with a fixed amount of money at a fixed interval. So for example, you can be using this trading bot to buy, let's say, Bitcoin worth of $100 every day or every week or every month, and that is why it is called the DCA trading bot. And in case you don't know, DCA means dollar cost average. So you can see that there are so many kinds of trading bots on the Bitget app. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the capital. Now, for the capital on the Bitget app, or maybe the minimum investment on the Bitget app, this also depends on factors like your leverage that we are using the futures trading bot, and also it depends on the number of grids you are picking. So it is after you have entered all of these factors that you'll be able to know your minimum investment for the trading bot. And for Bitget, you have some advanced settings that you can set, like termination conditions. That is, what are the conditions for the trading bot to terminate your trades? And then you also have options to set your take profit and your stop loss and so on. So that's everything you need to understand about trading bot on the Bitget app. And in case you also want to learn how to create your own trading bot on the Bitget app and make money, I have a video on that. The link to the video will be in the description below. Now, the third app to make money with crypto trading bot is Bybit. Now, as at the time of making this video, Bybit is arguably the #1 crypto exchange in the world, and that's because a lot of people love the app, including the trading bot feature. And I have also done multiple videos on how to make money with trading bots on Bybit. I'll put the links to those videos in the description below. Now, when it comes to the different kinds of trading bots on the Bybit app, you also have multiple options. Now, firstly, you have the futures grade trading bot for futures trading, and then you have the spot grade trading bot for spot trading. Now, you also have the DCA trading bot that helps you to buy cryptocurrencies with a fixed amount of money at a fixed interval, and then you also have the futures martingale trading bot. So these are the different types of trading bots you can find on the Bybit app. Now, one thing I love about the trading bot feature on Bybit is the recommendation feature. So right here on the screen, as you can see, if you click on where you have easy bot, you see 3 questions that you have to answer. Now, the first question is, which asset would you like to focus on? So you go ahead and pick the crypto asset you want to focus on, whether it is BTC, XRP, ETH, or anyone you prefer. And then the second question is, which type of trading do you prefer? So for this, you have 2 options. You can pick either spot trading or futures trading. And then the third question is, which market direction would you like to focus on? So you have the neutral direction, the long direction, and the short direction. So once you enter your answers for these 3 questions, it will recommend the trading bot to use, and it will also tell you why it is recommending that trading bot for you. And I really love this feature. You should definitely try it out. And for the minimum investment too, it is the same as the other apps I've mentioned. It depends on the number of grids you enter and the intervals you enter for that trading bot. And you also have the option to set your stop loss and your take profit. So that's it for Bybit. And again, if you want to learn how to create your own trading bot on Bybit to make money, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now, before I go to number 4, if you have been enjoying my videos and learning about crypto and finance, then I would love to invite you to become a member of this channel. Now, in case you don't know, I recently introduced channel membership to give more value to my subscribers, and here is what you will get as benefit when you become a member of the channel. First, you are going to get early access to all my videos, so you'll be the first to watch my new videos hours before they go live to the public. And the second benefit will be exclusive members only content. So this means that you get to see premium videos on crypto opportunities, market insights, and even finance tips that are not available to the public. And the third benefit is the priority replies to your comments. So this means that your questions and comments will be answered faster with priority attention. And then the fourth benefit will be the member shout out. So I'll be shouting out members in my videos to always appreciate your support. So it's like a way of building a closer community on my YouTube channel, and it's also a way for you to support the channel, and I would love for you to be part of it. So if you're interested in it, just click on the first link in the description below or the first link in the pinned comment of this video. I'll see you on the other side. Now let's get back into the video. Now the fourth app to make money with trading bot is Binance. Now, as one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world right now, Binance offers more trading bot options than a lot of crypto exchanges out there. Now on the Binance app, you'll find different kinds of trading bots. bots. You have the normal sports grid trading bot on the Binance app that helps you to do spot trading. You have the normal futures grid trading bot that helps you to do futures trading. And aside from these two, there are other ones like the arbitrage trading bot. You have the rebalancing trading bot. You have the DCA trading bot, and you also have the algo order trading bot, and so on. I've explained all of these kinds of trading bots in this video. And on the Binance app, you have the option to create your own trading bot or use an already created trading bot. And you also have the option for advanced settings where you can set things like your take profit, your stop loss, and you can set the rules for what will happen once the trading bot gets your take profit or stop loss. So you have the option to set all of these things on Binance. So that's for Binance. And in case you also want to learn how to make money with trading bots on the Binance app, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. And then for the fifth app to make money with trading bots, you have FameEX. Now you see FameEX has emerged as one of the best new exchanges out there right now, and I've been using the app recently and I'm really loving the app. Now I got to try the trading bot feature on the FameEX app and I really liked it, and that's why I'm adding it to this list. Now on the FameEX app, you'll find 3 different trading bots to use. You have the sports grid trading bot, that's for sport trading. You have the futures grid trading bot for futures trading, and then you have the futures martingale bot, and I already explained how to use all of these trading bots in this video. Now, one of the reasons why I love the trading bot feature on the FameEX app is how simple it is. Now, on the app, all you just need to do is to select the trading bot you want to use. Then you go ahead and select the direction of the market you want, whether long or short or neutral, and then you select the cryptocurrencies you want to trade. And after you've entered all of these things, it will bring out the different trading bots that are good for you to use. And not just that, it will also show you the person that created the trading bot and the number of people who are using that trading bot. So at least you can know how popular that trading bot is. And also it will show you the minimum investment you can use for each trading bot on the app, so that you can just go ahead and pick the trading bot that suits you instead of searching up and down for the best one to use. Now, I don't have a video on trading bots on the FameEX app, but in case you guys want me to create a video on how to use the trading bot and make money with trading bots on the FameEX app, let me know in the comment section below. Just type it in the comments below. And if you guys say I should create a video, I'll go ahead and do that. So there you have it. These are the top 5 crypto trading bot apps to make money. And if you have ever tried using any of these crypto trading bots to make money for yourself, please, I want you to share your review in the comment section below. I will really love to see them. And before I go, I want you to remember that there is no trading bot that can guarantee you profit. And in case you want to learn how trading bots work and to see if they are truly profitable, watch this video showing on my screen right here. I explained everything you need to know about crypto trading bots, and also answered the question that a lot of you have been asking me, which is, are trading bots profitable? So click on the video right here, go ahead and watch it, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.